POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company Anker. This is from their Soundcore product line, and this is their Spirit Pro in-ear headphones or earphones. They are advertised as pretty solid waterproof headphones that feature a submarine-inspired watertight enclosure and some impermeable nano coating to them. But they're a sport pair wireless Bluetooth headphones for your cell phone or any other device that you can stream to. And we're going to pop this open. We're going to see what it looks like inside the box, what it comes with, and then you're going to go to POCnetwork.net. We'll have a full story on this later with the review and everything, with additional pictures as well. So, first thing we come to is a piece of plastic that we forgot to tear off. Okay, now we got it out of the box. I don't think that wants to stand up properly. The accessories are directly underneath. We have some bags here, including some ear hooks. We have 3 pairs. 2 of them are already preloaded onto the headphones themselves, plus 2 here. So you're probably gonna have small, medium, and large, it looks like. Medium is already applied to them. You have a shirt clip for the cable, plus a sliding clip to tighten up the cable to your head, if you so choose. You have an additional pair of 2 tips for the headphones. This is quite common, actually, for any pair of wireless headphones, or regular headphones, for that matter. So in total, it looks like you have 4 pairs. So you have small, medium, or maybe larger medium, smaller medium, which most likely looks like it's already loaded on the headphones themselves, and then small. So you have 4 different types or sets of tips and 3 sets of the rings. I'll go ahead and take those out too. So as you can see here, these are the other 2 sets. You have, again, small, medium, and large. Additionally, you have a USB cable, which is USB to USB, just micro USB, for charging the headphones with. You also have a little snap pouch. They just kind of pinch to open up. Drop your headphones in there and let go, and it snaps closed. You have their typical signature "Are you happy or not happy" card, where you can reach out to them for any kind of feedback if you so choose. You have some instructional materials that walk you through using the headphones themselves. And now we'll dig directly into the headphones. These headphones look kind of similar to just about any pair of wireless headphones out there on the market, honestly. The slider actually that they provide right here, there's already one on there, so this is kind of like a bonus one, apparently, in case you lose this one. And as mentioned, this simply just slides up and down, allowing you to get a nice tight fit and kind of clean up any kind of excess cable at the bottom, so you don't have all this cable hanging around if you don't want it to. The headphones feature a magnetic back to each bud, so they can hook together as they're around your neck, so while they're hanging, they're not going to fall off as easy. The magnet actually does feel pretty strong, so it's not going to detach too easily, as we've seen with certain other models. And the inline microphone, the back part of it, this is the micro USB input for the charging. It doesn't actually have a flap to it, but since they're using their impermeable coating, supposedly that's not going to be an issue. I think this is more of their kind of claim to fame, saying check out what we can do. We don't even need to have the flap on there. You can throw this in the water and drown it and it's still going to survive. Maybe. You probably don't want to submerge it totally. This is just kind of like an example of that they're not afraid to leave their ports exposed. You have 3 buttons on your controller, which is your typical setup. You have volume up and down, which also acts as your track control, plus your middle button, which is your play, pause, answering phone calls, trigger your voice assistant, and so forth. So that's it. This is pretty simple. Again, this is the Spirit Pro in-ear headphones from Anker, from within their Soundcore product line. So check it out at POCnetwork.net. We'll have more on this later once we test these out and see what we like about them. We'll have more pictures and everything else. Again, that is POCnetwork.net. And of course, if you liked what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe below. There is a button right there. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.